Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how to create a blog post on Shopify. If you are looking to share content, promote your products, or improve your website's SEO, this tutorial will guide you through the process clearly and efficiently from start to finish. First, open your Shopify account in a web browser. Next, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Content. Once you are there, select Blog Posts. Then, click on Create Blog Post to start a new entry. Enter a title that clearly reflects the content of your post, and then write your main content in the editor provided. After that, scroll down to the Search Engine Listing section. Here, enter a custom page title, meta description, and URL handle to optimize your post for search engines. Next, return to the top of the page and set the visibility of your post, choosing between visible or hidden depending on your preference. Then, add a featured image by clicking on the Image section and selecting an image from your computer. Afterward, choose the blog type from the Blog drop-down menu and add relevant tags to help organize your content and improve discoverability. Finally, click the Save button at the top of the page to publish your post or save it for later editing. By following these steps, you can effectively share content with your audience and boost your website's performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.